Have you ever wondered how sunlight can power your home, providing clean, renewable energy? Today, we're going to uncover exactly how solar panels generate electricity, breaking down the fascinating process step by step, from the moment sunlight hits the panel to when it powers your appliances. We'll explore the science behind the photovoltaic effect and the components that make it all possible. Solar panels are primarily composed of solar cells, which are typically made from semiconductor materials like silicon. When sunlight, which consists of tiny energy packets called photons, strikes these solar cells, these photons transfer their energy to the electrons within the silicon atoms. This energy transfer gives the electrons a significant jolt, exciting them and preparing them for their journey. This transferred energy from the sunlight is powerful enough to knock electrons loose from their atomic bonds within the silicon material. Once freed, these electrons begin to move in a directed path, creating a continuous flow. This directed flow of electrons is what we define as electricity. However, this initial form of electricity isn't yet suitable for direct use in most household appliances. The electricity generated directly by solar panels is known as direct current, or DC. In DC electricity, electrons consistently flow in a single direction, from a higher potential to a lower potential. While DC power is fundamental to the operation of the solar panel itself, the vast majority of homes and electrical appliances are designed to operate on alternating current, or AC, where the electron flow periodically reverses direction. This is precisely where the solar inverter plays its critical role. The inverter is a sophisticated electronic device that takes the direct current electricity produced by your solar panels and efficiently converts it into alternating current electricity. This AC power is then perfectly compatible with your home's electrical system, allowing it to power everything from your lights and refrigerator to your television and other essential household appliances. Once converted to AC, the electricity seamlessly flows into your home's electrical system, ready for immediate use. A significant advantage of solar power is that if your panels generate more electricity than your home currently needs, that surplus energy isn't wasted. Instead, it can be sent back to the main electrical grid, and in many regions, this can even earn you credits on your electricity bill through a process called net metering. Beyond immediate consumption and grid feedback, you also have the option to store excess solar energy in specialized batteries, such as a Tesla Powerwall or other home battery storage units. This stored energy can then be utilized during periods when your panels aren't producing electricity, like at night or on heavily overcast days. This ensures a continuous, reliable power supply, allowing your home to run on solar energy 24/7, enhancing energy independence and resilience. Here are some intriguing facts about solar technology. A single solar cell typically produces approximately zero point 0.5 volts of electricity, which is why many cells are connected in series and parallel to form a full panel with a usable voltage. It's also important to know that solar panels continue to work even on cloudy days, albeit with reduced efficiency, as they can still capture diffuse sunlight. Furthermore, some cutting-edge panels are even capable of generating electricity from ambient indoor lighting, showcasing the versatility of photovoltaic technology. So, the next time you observe solar panels, whether on a rooftop or in a vast solar farm, remember the intricate and powerful transformation occurring. Sunlight is being converted into clean, usable electricity right before your eyes. If you're fascinated by understanding the why, how, and when of the world's scientific and technological marvels, make sure to subscribe to Why, How, When and activate notifications so you don't miss any of our future captivating videos.